Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Wednesday, March 2nd, 2016. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over the big boards. I apologize. I am a little under the weather. We haven't done an options, and also we missed the weekly webinar this week, but I'm going to go over basically what the setups are doing, what the major markets. If you notice, okay, we were talking about Elliott wave theory, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and now I think that we're up to and completing wave 4 right now. Okay, I know we sent out the trade for the IWM. It's kind of worked against us. You can do either two options now. What you want to do is you want to either wait for this to kind of kiss this 198, 199, 200 level, a kiss of this 200 level. If you notice here, this pivot high connected to this pivot high to this pivot high, you may get what you call a FOBO or a fake out breakout. What you want to see is, okay, this range bound and a potential kiss of that 200 level. If you are going to start buying contracts, what I would recommend is for you guys to start scaling in, okay, for a longer term contracts. Okay, try not to do the weeklies. Okay, so if I'm looking at the SPY, I'm looking at a kiss of 200, or I'm going to start accumulating a position in this range. Okay, what I want to do is I want to kind of see this thing kiss this trend line goodbye. Okay, usually what you see is you'll see a wave 1, okay, a wave 2 correction, and then a big long wave 3. And I think that we're kind of testing this wave 4 now. Okay, when you test this wave 4 or you complete this wave 4, I do expect the markets to come lower to complete that wave 5. Right now, this is a key trend line because you're seeing this cluster of resistance here on the SPY. Okay, I think that right now the IWM is a little bit weaker. Well, a lot weaker than the S&P. Okay, if you notice, this thing is still in what you call a bear flag. If you notice here, okay, this is now in this bear flag. What you want to see this is potentially test this cluster here, which it is testing, or a safer bet is to wait for a close below this 21-day moving average at 99. If it closes 2 days below that 99, that's your breakdown. Same thing as the SPY. If you come over to the SPY, if this thing closes below 190, 191 2 times, or 190, 93 2 times, that's your confirmation for a move lower. Right now, if you want to start taking a little bit of bait here at this trend line, it could be an opportunity. Okay, SPY right now, if you come look at the SPY right now, currently it's trading at 197.79, so it is trading a little lower. Okay, but what you want to start doing, or you want to start seeing, is this cluster right here act as major resistance. Okay, again, we're looking at that wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. I think we're testing and we're completing this wave 4 for a wave 5 correction. Okay, so I want traders to understand that we've had a major rally here from that 182 level. Okay, we saw that low of 180, and now we're trading higher, and we haven't seen a considerable pullback. So I want traders to kind of understand that sentiment. Okay, the markets are strong. Okay, you don't want to short a strong market, but at the same time recognize the resistance that's lying ahead. Okay, next ticker symbol is Allstate. This was a good trade. We triggered this at 62.50. I want traders to start looking to lock profits here. What we want to see this stock do is confirm close above this high. This high right now, you're looking at this high right here at that 64.95 level. We're at that 64.81. If you close above that 64.81 or that $65 level on 2 consecutive closes, then this should push higher, and we could see a high of that 66, 67 level. Okay, but overall, I want traders to start locking profits. Okay, SYY, another trade that we took. This thing actually triggered and gave us an opportunity to enter at the lows at 42.77. The stock ended up rallying and hitting a high of 44.79. So I want traders to start looking to lock profits. If this stock closes above this level here at that 45.11 level, then we can test that 47 level. Okay, but overall, I want traders to start locking profits because the markets are looking a little bit overextended. Okay, next ticker symbol is GLD. We're at that fake out breakout levels. Okay, every time it kind of tests this trend line, we did a webinar the other day. I talked about seasonality chart. Usually gold is down in March. So watch this level here. What you can do is wait for this trend line to break down below 115 on 2 consecutive closes. If it does close below 115, it's coming down. If you want to start biting over here up at that 117, 119 level, you can. Just make sure that you stop close above this high, which is that 120.84. So that 121 on 2 consecutive closes, that will be your stop. So I may alert this soon. I want traders to kind of start looking at this. This was just a beautiful trade when we told traders to start looking at this at 101. It actually pulled back down to 98 levels. Took a little bit of time, and then we saw that huge rally up to 119. So GLD is potential short here. So just keep an eye on either a close below 115 on 2 consecutive closes. That'll confirm that move lower. Or what you can do is you can start biting up here, a little bit riskier, but then place your stop close above 121 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, next ticker symbol is the Tiffany. Okay, another retailer that has been strong as of late. We are heading into major cluster resistance here at that 68.55 level. Okay, traders that are not in this, if you want to start adding a position here, I would recommend that you do so, but with a stop close above 72 on 2 consecutive closes. If it closes above 72 on 2 consecutive closes, this will potentially move higher and it will break this downtrend. But overall, the markets are overextended. Now I want to go over a couple of small caps that we've traded. SDRL gave us a beautiful opportunity, gave us an entry at the lows, gave us $1.85. It triggered at $1.92 on February 4th, 2016. Now what you're seeing here, we hit a high of $2.32. Okay, now trading above that 8-day moving average. Watch any pullback down to that $2 range if you want to re-enter the stock. This thing should potentially kind of test this $3.30 range. That's our next target. Okay, next ticker symbol is the AUY. I want traders to start looking to kind of profit on the AUY. AUY was sent out. Yamana Gold. This is a gold stock that I talked about for quite some time. I talked about as a hedge opportunity on the down market, also on gold bouncing. I do like the stock, but this is overextended. We are starting to see a little bit of around the top. I told traders to watch the 130 to 150 level. This gave us an opportunity to enter at 139 to $1.50. And if you notice here, we've hit a high of $2.92. Now what we're looking at, any pullback down to this $2.11 level will be a buying opportunity. Okay, I do like Yamana Gold here, but at the same time, ensure you start locking profits if you're still in. Again, this is your support here at $2. If this thing pulls back to $2, I think it is a buy, and then just simply place your stop close over here at this level here. Let me just work that up for you. That's going to be this level here, $1.50. Okay, so that if this thing pulls back, gives us an entry at $2, it's going to be a good buy zone, and then simply place your stop close below $1.50. Just a beautiful move. Gave us 100% move on the trade. Okay, next ticker symbol. This was a stock that was sent out. I want traders to start looking to profit here. We're heading into some resistance here on the FEYE. This was a ticker symbol that was beaten down, and now if you notice, we're actually heading into some resistance here. If you notice, okay, we've broken this downward trend, okay, but at the same time, now we're a little bit overextended. If you want to start looking to re-add this, look at that $14.20 level to $15 range. That should be a pullback here. Just ensure to start locking profits. It is March 18th coming up, and I want traders to ensure that you start locking profits on the FEYE. This gave us an opportunity to enter as low as $11, $17.35, and now the stock is trading up at $17.70. Just a beautiful move on the FEYE. That is all. Okay, if anything triggers, I will post it on the group me chat. I want traders to kind of keep an eye on the junk bonds, HYG, and also if you're gonna go long, or you're gonna short that the SPY, the S&P, start looking at the SDS, and I will explain that in the chat room. If you want to join our website, try our free trial at Radio Silent Play at radiosilentplay.com. Take care, everyone.